time I saw you in front of the Blue Frog Cafe. From the first time we touched, we were well on our way. We were well on our way. 18 days of loving you, that's okay. Second time I saw you, we boarded just in time. We made love to the wind blowing through the wire. Yeah, through the wire. 18 days of loving you, we're on fire. Third time I saw you was on Christmas Day. We gathered round the table and laughed the night away, the night away. 18 days of loving you, I'm here to say. Fourth time I saw you, we went to the mountain top so blue. Our hearts so intense that we both knew, yeah, we both knew. 18 days of loving you, I do. 18 days of loving you, I said I do. 6 months later, it's off to the island we go. Walking on the beach, making love so slow, oh, so slow. 6 months and 18 days, yeah, let's go. 6 months and 18 days, yeah, let's go. Passing on by some time. Wonder if you'd wave back to me. Wish that you would stop on by. Maybe have a cup of tea. Often think of you and wonder what life might be like with you. It gives me something I can ponder when I'm alone and feeling blue. If you'd come and spend the night, we could watch the sun come up through the trees. Oh, how happy I would be. if you'd spend the night with me. You said I used to travel all alone when I was young and in my youth. Now I sit alone and wonder where all those years have gone to. That I am passing by, I'll be sure way back to you. Don't be too surprised if I pull on in. I never know just what I'll do. If you'd come and spend the night with me, we could watch the sun come up through the trees. Oh, how happy I would be if you'd spend the night with me. Passing on by sometimes, I wonder if you'd wave back to me. I wish it you